Bedrooms in 2026 are transforming into deeply personal, intelligent, and luxurious spaces designed around lifestyle and wellness. Instead of just focusing on looks, modern bedroom design now balances comfort, technology, and emotional well-being. Every element, from lighting and colors to furniture and fabrics, is carefully chosen to support better sleep and relaxation. Smart features blend seamlessly into interiors, making bedrooms more functional without feeling technical. In this video, we'll explore the most important upcoming bedroom design trends for 2026 that interior designers and luxury homes are already adopting. These ideas will help you future-proof your bedroom while keeping it calm, elegant, and timeless. Section 1. Calm and luxury color palettes. Color palettes in 2026 focus strongly on softness and visual comfort. Designers are replacing stark whites with warmer neutral shades like beige, greige, taupe, and soft stone gray. These colors reflect light gently, making bedrooms feel larger and more peaceful. Earthy tones such as clay, sand, olive green, and muted browns are used to add warmth and natural depth. Instead of sharp contrasts, layered tones within the same color family create a rich, hotel-like atmosphere. Matte and eggshell finishes are preferred as they reduce glare and feel more premium. These calming palettes support relaxation and improve the overall sleep environment. Section 2. Smart and mood lighting concepts. Lighting in 2026 bedrooms is designed around mood and daily routines. A single ceiling light is no longer enough. Layered lighting is essential. This includes ambient lighting for general brightness, task lighting for reading, and accent lighting for atmosphere. LED strip lights behind headboards, under beds, and inside wall panels create a floating and luxurious effect. Smart lighting systems allow you to adjust brightness and warmth throughout the day, matching your natural body rhythm. Warm light in the evening helps the mind relax, while soft neutral light supports morning routines. Lighting becomes an emotional tool, not just a functional one. Section 3. Ceiling designs and indirect lighting. Bedroom ceilings in 2026 are clean, minimal, and thoughtfully designed. Simple false ceilings with recessed lights and concealed LED strips are trending over heavy designs. Indirect lighting integrated into ceiling edges creates a soft glow that makes the room feel taller and calmer. Some designs include subtle geometric patterns or wooden ceiling panels for added texture. Spotlights are used sparingly to avoid harsh shadows. The focus is on visual balance rather than decoration. A well-designed ceiling enhances the entire bedroom experience without drawing too much attention to itself. Section 4. Luxury curtains and window treatments. Curtains in modern bedrooms are both functional and decorative. Floor-to-ceiling curtains are preferred as they visually increase room height and add elegance. Blackout curtains remain essential for quality sleep, blocking outside light completely. These are often layered with sheer curtains that allow soft daylight while maintaining privacy. Linen, velvet, and textured fabrics dominate 2026 trends, adding richness to the room. Neutral colors like off-white, beige, and warm gray keep the space calm. Motorized curtains are becoming common in luxury bedrooms, offering convenience and a premium hotel-style feel. Section 5. Modern bed and headboard styles. The bed remains the strongest visual element in bedroom design. In 2026, low-profile platform beds are popular for their clean and modern appearance. Upholstered headboards add softness and comfort while also acting as a design statement. Vertical panel designs, curved edges, and extended headboards are trending strongly. Many headboards now include built-in LED lighting or side panels for symmetry. Materials such as velvet, boucle, and leather finish fabrics enhance luxury. A well-designed bed anchors the entire room and defines its character. Section 6. Feature walls and textured panels. Feature walls continue to evolve with more refined materials and finishes. Wooden slat walls behind the bed remain a favorite for their warmth and modern appeal. Textured wall panels, fabric walls, and micro-cement finishes add depth without overwhelming the space. Wallpaper designs in 2026 focus on subtle patterns, organic shapes, and muted tones. Accent lighting highlights wall textures, creating a soft and inviting atmosphere. Instead of decorating every wall, designers focus on one strong focal wall. This approach keeps the bedroom elegant and uncluttered. Section 7. Carpets, rugs, and flooring trends. Comfort underfoot is a major priority in bedroom design for 2026. Soft carpets and plush area rugs are widely used to add warmth and luxury. Rugs placed under the bed help define the sleeping zone and create visual balance. Neutral colors with subtle patterns are preferred to avoid visual noise. Wooden and vinyl flooring in warm finishes remains popular, often paired with rugs for comfort. Carpets also improve acoustics, reducing noise and echo. Flooring choices greatly influence how cozy and inviting a bedroom feels. Section 8. Smart storage and wardrobe designs. Modern bedrooms emphasize clean lines and clutter-free spaces. Built-in wardrobes that reach the ceiling maximize storage while maintaining a seamless look. Handleless designs with push-to-open or soft-close mechanisms are standard in 2026. Internal LED lighting inside wardrobes improves visibility and adds a luxury touch. Glass shutters, mirror finishes, and matte laminates are trending wardrobe materials. Storage beds and hidden drawers help utilize space efficiently. Smart storage allows bedrooms to stay visually calm and organized. Section 9. Technology-integrated bedrooms. Technology in 2026 bedrooms is subtle and user-focused. Smart thermostats regulate temperature automatically for better sleep comfort. Voice-controlled systems manage lighting, curtains, and even music without physical effort. Wireless charging tables eliminate cable clutter around the bed. Entertainment systems are concealed to maintain a clean aesthetic. Technology is integrated in a way that feels natural, not overwhelming. The goal is to enhance daily comfort while preserving a peaceful environment. Section 10. Luxury bedroom decor and accessories. Decor in 2026 follows the principle of less but better. Layered bedding with high-quality fabrics adds depth and comfort. Throwing blankets and cushions in neutral tones bring softness without excess color. Large abstract art pieces or minimal wall art create a focal point without clutter. Decorative lighting, vases, and sculptural objects are used sparingly. Indoor plants add freshness and a natural connection. Every decor element supports relaxation and visual harmony. These upcoming bedroom design trends for 2026 show how interiors are shifting towards smarter, calmer, and more meaningful living spaces. By combining modern lighting, elegant colors, smart storage, and sustainable choices, you can create a bedroom that feels luxurious and future-proof. Even small upgrades can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more interior design inspiration. Let us know which bedroom trend impressed you the most.